Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Pro Mobile. First, ensure you have the Kraken Pro application installed on your smartphone or tablet. You can easily find it in your device's app store. Once downloaded, simply log in using your established Kraken account details. The app's interface is designed for efficiency, allowing you to quickly access all the powerful trading features right from your fingertips. It's built for both speed and clarity, making your trading experience seamless. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your portfolio's performance and real-time market data. To begin trading, you'll need to fund your account. Navigate to the funding section, where you can deposit a wide range of cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. Kraken Pro supports over 180 different digital assets. Always double-check the deposit address and network to ensure a smooth transaction. Now let's place a trade. From the trading screen, select your preferred cryptocurrency pair, such as Bitcoin versus US dollar. You'll then choose an order type, market, limit, or stop loss. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Enter the quantity you wish to trade, review all the details carefully, and then confirm your order for execution. It's a straightforward process. Kraken Pro Mobile offers robust charting tools, allowing you to perform in-depth technical analysis directly from your device. You can customize indicators and timeframes to suit your strategy. For your security, always enable two-factor authentication. It adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Regularly review your trade history and manage any open orders from the dedicated sections. This ensures you stay on top of your trading activity and maintain full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.